In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change member permissions in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each option means so you can keep your boards organized and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and workspace where your board lives. From the Trello home screen, click Boards. This takes you to a view of all the boards you can access. If you have a lot of boards, use the search bar or workspace filter to find the one you want to manage. Next, select the board you want to work on and open it. Once the board loads, look toward the top right corner and click Share. Depending on your layout, it might also appear as members. Both open the same panel where you can manage who has access and what they can do. In the sharing panel, find the member whose permissions you want to change. You'll see a small drop-down next to their name that shows their current role. Click that drop-down to reveal the available options. Here you can switch the person to observer or to admin. Choose observer if you want someone to be able to view the board without making changes. Observers can usually read everything and, if allowed by your board settings, leave comments, but they can't move cards, edit lists, or change board settings. This is great for stakeholders who need visibility without the risk of accidental edits. Keep in mind the observer role may require a specific Trello plan. If you don't see the observer option, your workspace plan or board settings might not support it. Choose admin only for people who need full control. Admins can change board settings, invite and remove members, enable or disable power-ups, and adjust permissions for others. Because this role carries a lot of authority, grant it sparingly and only to trusted team members. If someone just needs to contribute by creating or moving cards, consider keeping them as a regular member rather than promoting them to admin. After you select the new permission, Trello saves the change automatically. There's no extra confirmation required. You can close the panel and you're done. If you ever need to review what someone can do, open the share panel again and check their current role. That's the full process. Go to Trello, open your board, click share, select the member, and use the drop-down to switch them to observer or admin. With the right permissions in place, your team stays productive and your board stays protected.